Let me tell you the truth. Nobody is telling you about this app. If you have been posting video on YouTube and you are getting no views, no growth, no subscriber, my brother, my sister, it's not because YouTube hates you, but it is because there are things you are not taking into consideration that are silently killing your channel that you don't know. Now, if you don't take this into consideration, you are going to make years on YouTube and there will be no result or no change. Now, if your channel has been experiencing this, follow this video from the beginning to the end, step by step. Please do not miss any part. When one, posting video without a purpose. Many people upload videos just because they want to post. They don't ask themselves, who is this video for? What kind of problem am I solving with my video? Can someone actually watch this video from the beginning to the end? Remember, YouTube does not push random videos. They only push videos that hold people's attention, videos that passes message, videos that has value in them, that has clear message. Hope you are getting. Now, point 2. Stop caring about subscriber at the beginning. This is very important. If you are a beginner, if you are new, and you are always checking, how many subscribers do I have today? How many views do I have today? My brother, my sister, you will quit so soon. Let me tell you something. All these big YouTubers you see today, they started by focusing in helping, inspiring, and entertaining people. And after, people started following and subscribing to their channel. What I'm saying is that focus on value and you will see people started following and subscribing to your channel. Hope I'm making some sense. Now, point 3. Stop making long and boring intro. If you spend 30 seconds by saying, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. My brother, people who started leaving with no intention of coming back. Now, this is what you should do. Start with problem, solving problem. Start with a strong statement. Ask questions that hit the mind. Talk first and introduce yourself later. You will see how people who started developing zeal in watching your video. Now, point 4. Posting and disappearing. Okay, posting one video today and disappearing for 2 weeks tells YouTube that this creator is not serious at all. Let me tell you something. Consistency is not daily, but it means predictable. Hope you're understanding. Okay, let me tell you something. It's better to post one video every week than posting 10 videos a day and disappearing for a month. My brother, my sister, train YouTube to trust you and you will see a change. Hope I'm making some sense. Now, point 5. Copying and strategy. Copying big creators. What for what won't make you grow. Why? People has already watched the original. Instead, learn their structure, learn their timing, and add your voice, culture, and make the story look yours. Let me tell you something. There is nothing on earth that looks new. People always copy and even do it more professionally than the real creator. Now, use your head and grow. Hope I'm making some sense. Point 6. Ignoring viewers. Read comment, reply to people, and listen to what they ask for. Remember, The audience will tell you what you will post next for free. Community creators. Finally, let me tell you something very important. YouTube is not by luck, but it is by your skill, patience, and consistency. I promise you, if you put all of this into practice and avoid all those mistakes listed above, very soon, I promise you, the world will hear your voice. And if this video helped you in one way or the other, do not forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification button, and also subscribe for more videos are coming soon. I love you all. Your voice matters a lot. See you in my next video. I remain your favorite, the Zookies, the wickedest producer. Remember, creativity is not sold in the market. See you.